Good morning, San Juan. Good morning.
Which one is this? Oh, is it that?
I'm on Mardi Gras. That's interesting. Spray feels good coming off.
San Juan, Puerto Rico was our first port of call on our 7-night Eastern Caribbean cruise aboard Carnival's Mardi Gras. Founded in 1521 by Ponce de Leon, San Juan, Puerto Rico has 2 cruise terminals. We arrived at the Old San Juan terminal. As we made our way out of the terminal, we took a left alongside the waterfront, passing right by the I Love PR sign, which gets pretty crowded when the cruise ships first arrive. Soon we were greeted by the street vendors that staked out a claim on the sidewalk right in front of the terminal. San Juan is known for its cobblestone streets, colorful colonial architecture, and the 16th century walls that surround the city, and San Felipe del Morro Fortress, which is an easy walk from the terminal. However, our time in San Juan was limited and we weren't able to explore San Felipe del Morro Fortress this time. We had an unscheduled stop to make, so crossing the street, we ended up at Walgreens.
One of our first stops happened to be Walgreens, so we had to pick up a couple of things that I said pack, but no, we didn't pack them.
Walking around Old San Juan is very easy. However, we did use Google Maps. In the description of this video, I'll place a link to the map that we use for a walking tour. Across a really nice farmer's market located very close to the courthouse and post office. Old San Juan is such a beautiful city with its brightly colored buildings and beautiful water fountains. It really was a joy to walk around the city.
This is the post office and courthouse in San Juan. San Juan is a beautiful city.
We finally made it to our first scheduled stop, Barrachina Restaurant and Bar, which, as you know, is the birthplace of the Pina Colada, which was invented here in 1963. I think we're going to stop in and give this world-famous concoction a try and see how it stands up to some of the best. Now, they've been mixing up the Pina Colada here since 1963. I think these guys might be onto something. As a matter of fact, I think we had to try it at least, 4 times to verify that the Pina Colada was as good as we originally thought. And after the 4th one, I think it was actually better than we originally thought they were going to be.
So, Joe's now having the famous Pina Colada. From 1963. How is it, Joe?
That's excellent. Probably one of the best pina coladas I've ever had. You know what? There's not a hint or a trace of coconut in it anywhere. Proper pina colada.
Delicious. We'll be back.
Now that's nice.
was a bit of a line waiting to get into the restaurant when we arrived. Well, that's to be expected. There were probably 4 cruise ships in port when we got there. So plan on spending a little time in line waiting to get into the restaurant. Speaking of the restaurant itself and building is absolutely beautiful. From what I understand, the building is approximately 2 centuries old, according to the bartender. It was absolutely a beautiful building.
And more pina coladas coming out.
With our to-go pina coladas in hand, we attempted to find Umbrella Street. But Hurricane Ian decided to change our plans. Evidently, because of the storm, all of the umbrellas and all of the other decorations had to be taken down. So we missed out on Umbrella Street. If you do get a chance to visit Puerto Rico, Old San Juan, visit Umbrella Street. Take some pictures, send them along to us. We'd love to see them.
We came through. We have to continue the series, shopping with Sue, and oh yeah, I also took a cruise. Yeah, it's hot.
Yeah.
Are you all done in the shop?
Yes.
All right. Yep. Shopping with Sue again. This time she's terrorizing all the merchants in Puerto Rico. Or she's terrorizing me with shopping in Puerto Rico. One of the two, I haven't decided yet. Yeah, not made in China. I love it. Nice little shop. Had to replace the crappy lantern. Shopping with Sue continues. Film at 11.
Here. I'm done.
You're not buying another hat. We already went through the hat fiasco. Let's see, hold them up. Go ahead and hold them up. Yeah, see if they have an extra large for me, sweetie. So, after shopping with Sue, we finally found Raíces. We ordered our lunch, Mofongo. We also got, I got a Pina Colada and Sue got a mojito. Those are really, really cute cups.
Skin, right? They call it chicken roll.
Yeah.
That's enough for 6 people. Yeah, we're gonna split. We're gonna get a bunch of them. We're just gonna share.
That's amazing.
That's enough for 6 people.
Even the Mofongo is like bigger than I thought it was.
That's good size.
And Joe, now you got your nice
what did you offer?
Mofongo.
You got the shrimp.
She got the trim mofongo and I get the regular steak mofongo.
There you go. Nice. Enjoy.
Thank you.
So now you're gonna give it a shot?
I'm gonna give it a shot.
And I've got the shrimp. And we got the fried cheese. And Joe's got that beautiful.
Steak with the chimichurri sauce on it.
And it's just absolutely divine.
Delicious.
We are enjoying every moment at this nice restaurant.
This is beef.
That is really good.
Good. I'll be back.
Our time in this beautiful city has come to a close. We're now back on the ship, reflecting on our day, thinking, is there anything we would have changed? For me, yeah, I would have got better footage of our food at Raíces. The mofongo was delicious. I wish I could have shared it with you. Would we be back to Puerto Rico? In a heartbeat. Beautiful city. Thank you all so much for watching.